Hello, and welcome to our tutorial series for working with components in Finesse Gadget Designer. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use a URL reference component in a Finesse Gadget Designer project. URL reference components are used in our projects in order to connect any other project running on the same server, or you can connect to any external URL. First, drag a tab frame onto our canvas and resize it by dragging on the bottom right. We're going to add 2 tabs onto this frame over here in the Properties window. Now, we'll drag a URL reference component onto the first tab, and then do the same thing for the second tab. In the first URL reference, we want to show the output of some other project, which is running on the same server. So for this, we'll go to the Properties window and click on Select Project. A pop-up appears, which shows a list of projects which are already there on my server, so I can choose any project I want to show. I'll click on Radio Button Service, since this is the project I want to show, and I'll click Select Project. Now, we see the output of that project is shown on our tab. In the other URL reference component on the second tab, I'd like to connect to some external URL. So again, I'll go to the Properties, and instead of clicking Select Project, we check Is External. The URL to which I want to connect then gets entered into this field. In order to see the results, click Publish in the upper right and refresh our page. Upon loading, we see we have a tab frame with 2 tabs. In the first tab, we have our Radio Button Service project running already, which is working fully and the user can interact with it. On the second tab, we see the URL that we've entered load in the tab frame. And this is how we can use a URL component in Finesse Gadget Designer in order to easily connect projects we've already created on our server to our current project, as well as display external URLs within our project. As always, thank you for watching.